Yeah, sometimes they be on hold for hella long. I'm just hoping they have the alternator. That's all I care about. Our refurbished is not the best. Well, I know with anything electrical, alternator and battery, anything refurbished, they actually test them a lot more than the new ones. So, and like they're very strict on them. So if it's sold, it's good.
Could you hold that for me? And I'll go. My name's Chris also.
Because I need to drain this. Much easier. We can agree on that. This is going to be counterclockwise. Just tell him it's the one with the V6.
It's the one with the V6.
Okay, I'll just leave this right here. So that way it's easier to put this stupid belt back. Let me put this back over here. Before I do that, actually, I gotta take this out. Okay, get the... Okay, that's the top nut. Right here. What, the other car? Crazy. What was it? Oh shit. Yeah, these get super easily stolen. Let's see.
Because I got the money for the part. I just don't got the money for you, or I don't got the money for the part.
You want to borrow $100? Is that what you're going there for?
Yeah.
Okay, just go, bro. Because if you go now,
I'll be back. It's just literally right there at that corner.
Okay, I'm gonna use that time. I'm gonna go. Do you have the money for the alternator?
Yeah.
Do you have cash?
Yeah.
Just give me the money for the alternator now, and then I'll go buy the alternator for you. Yeah. And when I come back, you should have the 100 for me.
For sure. Absolutely. That's good thinking.
Yeah. How much was the alternator?
It's 160.
It was 160.
Yeah.
With the core or without the core? Give me 200 because it might be 160 plus tax.
Hold on, I gotta figure this shit out. No, he told me it was all that straight up.
Okay. And then which, O'Reilly or AutoZone?
O'Reilly's on El Camino.
On El Camino? Okay. Yeah. So this is 160. Just give me 10. Give me 10 if that's fine. And if it's less, I'll keep the rest and I'll give it to you. Okay. Go as quick as you can because I have to go to Livermore ASAP.
Oh damn, you going to Livermore now?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Okay, so that's the alternator. Alternator has to come out from here. If it wants to come out. I hate these V6s with freaking passion, dude.
Put it on.
I'll put it on. I'll put the window on for you.
All right.
Yeah, don't worry. Just go now if you can. Here we go. Ooh, alternator came right out. Two valve covers means 2 valve covers. Well, it's a kit, so it depends on the motor. What the fuck? How the hell did I put this shit in here? Forgot. Easy. Kind of crazy how it didn't go in easy. Managed.
Yeah, it's kind of cool to be out tonight.
Yeah, I don't gotta go to Livermore no more.
Oh no?
Yeah, well, they don't have his fucking the belt he's looking for.
Oh, he's looking for like a serpentine.
Exactly. It's for a 2023 Cadillac.
Oh, I told you.
I'm like, son, you was, bro, it's like back order from, it's like on a special order from a different state. So I'm like, good luck.
Never buying a Cadillac again in my time.
Oh, Cadillac are the worst, dude.
I got a good deal on a SDS a couple years ago, and it was like, fuck.
You got a good deal because it's a piece of shit, that's why.
Yeah, it was a cool car though.
SDS? Oh, them nice ones. I think I know what you're talking about.
2000.
Oh, never mind. Those are not cool.
No, it was cool. Trust me, yeah. All wood grain interior. With the
My
wood
fault.
steering wheel,
SDS is like the S class of Benz.
and fucking fan on top.
Mm-hmm.
Rag fan on top. It
Shit.
was badass.
My fault.
Dude, for all those people that don't know about the core, you could have just like a whole lineup of cores as like a
Oh.
you know, like a piggy bank, you know?
Oh yeah, that's true. Oh, a core?
And just
Like
use
the
them when you have to.
like alternator cores?
Whatever cores, fucking, what's the other?
Yeah, but what if they're a piece of shit though? What if they're bad?
They're still gonna give you money for it.
Oh, are you talking about like giving back? Yeah, well yeah, they will give you back money for the core. Just depends on what kind of core you're talking about. There's the fucking what the hell, where is it? Oh, right here. There's the core for like batteries, for alternators.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
All that stuff, you can just hold on to all of it. And
Exactly.
use it with all.
No way it was that easy. I have a feeling something is wrong, but it was that easy, I guess. Okay.
Yeah, I used to know this Russian family in high school.
Mm-hmm.
That damn man made vodka really look like water for sure.
Made what?
Yeah, he made vodka look like water, like the way they would.
Oh, Brody was sipping.
Ah,
Too deep.
sipping, he was gulping.
Yo, that was a good one.
Motherfucker was done with half the bottle already before the food started.
I'm sorry.
Like,
Damn.
Well, I was a junior, you know.
Russians with vodka are like Mexicans with beer. Or yeah, tequila too. Yeah, for sure. Ski.
Yeah, those dudes are fucking slammers. I'm like, dude, why? I can't even drink like that while I eat. I just like throw up. I need like one
Genetics, sir.
little drink. Oh, my dad drank like a fish. I can't do it though.
That's funny, bro. That's hella funny.
I just can't drink like that.
Yeah.
drink like a beer or two, and I'm cool.
That's more than you need, dude.
Yeah, and it gets you hella big and shit. When it comes to like tequila, yeah, I'll take a couple shots. Like, you know what I mean? Nothing too much.
Well, because it's fats. You talking about beer? Beer, yeah, beer makes you fat, bro.
Yeah.
You ever heard of beer belly?
Hell yeah.
Because it has a lot of malt, I think.
I do like beer though.
Salt. I don't like beer just straight, like not flavored, you know.
Oh, so you like Coronas with lime and soda?
So yeah, that. But there's you ever seen the Modelo with the chiladas?
Yeah.
That's my favorite, bro. Like that's my favorite one, bro. I'll drink a whole like case of these in a day. My favorite.
No, I can hear you on that one because that shit.
I don't like.
Tastes hella weird.
Exactly. I don't really like bitter beer.
But I have tried some fucking beers that fucking taste really good. Like I don't need them.
Yeah, like you don't need nothing to break the taste. Like no flavors.
You ever had Guinness before?
Huh?
Guinness?
No.
Guinness beer?
No.
It's really thick.
Oh, like thick beer? Well, like it, like is it? Ooh, I might fuck with that one. No cap, I might like it.
Yeah, you gotta pour it like right.
Oh, of course, Dennis.
We used to drink it back in the day. We didn't fucking help because we was riding bikes and walking and playing football and just run that shit off.
Yeah, you can't get a beer belly when you're running it off all the time. So if you're fucking drinking all day and you're sitting or going to work and your work involves just sitting at a fucking desk the whole day, then that's a whole different thing. That one goes at the bottom. The only thing is I won't be able to show it on video. Maybe. I don't know. Yeah, got it from I forgot the name of the supplier. I think it was Rigid. Huh?
I'll put the money in there. Third, bro.
Oh, okay. Got it. Just show me when I'm done.
What about torque converters?
What about them? Like installation?
That's fucking work too?
Huh?
Is that a hard job too?
Oh, that's hard, bro.
Yeah.
That is definitely hard. Dash, what kind of lights are we talking about?
Just like lights, because my lights don't work on my dash. They look like these.
Oh, very tiny?
Yeah.
I mean, I could. It's not really, they shouldn't be that hard.
I mean, if you got time, take a look at it. It's easy.
Right now, possibly, maybe not. I don't know. Okay, so alternator is good. The belt's on, connected right here. Bolts are torqued. Well, they're pretty tight, not just torqued. So that's that. We got this right here. Might need to give you a jump, but you never know. Let's try our luck. I don't know if you know your radio code, but every time you disconnect the battery, you gotta put in that.
I gotta
Oh, okay. Yeah, there you go.
It just gets rid of the presets.
Yeah, it's kind of, I don't like those either. I have the same car as I said, but I do have an aftermarket too, so makes life a lot easier. Okay, let's see if it's gonna hold the charge. When I take out the alternator, it was dyed. Yes. Okay, should hold the charge without a problem, because the last one was just dying right away. Okay, this is connected, this is connected. Belt is good. We lost some power steering fluid, but we have more than enough over here. It was overfilled anyways. Okay, looks like we are good to go. I never really took this one out, it was here. So, alright, that's the end, guys. Everything's working, car's not dying. It was dying as soon as I removed the jumper cables off. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments. See you later.